Anyone who's been successful at getting cooperation, agreement, customer engagement, or sales knows that you can't just wing it. You have to prepare. And like a chef preparing a meal, you need the right ingredients and the right recipes to produce an enticing, successful experience for your customer. You can think of the Persuasionizer system in exactly this way. It's a combination of the ingredients and the recipes for persuasive communication. The Persuasionizer web app is the result of our years of experience training on the triggers at companies in a wide variety of industries, where we learned what actually works to deploy and activate this powerful formula. And now you get the same process and tools that some of the world's most successful sales and marketing organizations are using to win contracts and customers. By specifically prompting your input of information about your offerings and your customers, according to the unique guidelines of the 7 triggers, you build a pantry of sorts, a database, really, of the best, most persuasive elements for your communication recipes. But that's not all. The Persuasionizer enables you to do one more simple yet powerful thing: create persuasion recipes. Labeled as persuasion prompters in the system, these customer communication cheat sheets are a simple, easy, and reliable way to make absolutely certain you don't miss the opportunity to be persuasive in each and every customer touchpoint, because that's what adds up to a yes decision. A quick call to obtain status, prepare a persuasive snack with just a few trigger elements. A meeting to outline a project plan, make a chef's salad of persuasive points. Big presentation to the whole client team, a 7-course menu of influence and persuasion. Once populated with your own content, the Persuasionizer gives you a quick and easy way to be reliably persuasive every time, all the time. Persuade and prosper.